we have this task, loop and assuming even numbers from 1 to 100. So it means we need to assume numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, not numbers like 1, 3, 5 and so on. Okay, only even numbers. So 2, 4, 6 and so on. Okay, how to do that? At first we would create a total variable and we will store their 0. Now I would like to generate the numbers between 1 and 100. So we know how to do that because we use cycle for. I will store it in number. It's my term. It's up to you how you name it. In range. And now we have to be careful from 1 to 100. So 101 because you know that the last number, this 101, isn't included. So I will check it. I will just print a number. So it should print numbers between 1 and 100. So number 1 will be stored in number and print. Number 2 will be stored in number and print, and so on. So I will run it. Okay, we have, it seems good, right? So from 1, okay, to 100. Okay, great. It seems good. Now I need only numbers which are even. Do you remember how we do that? So we need to evaluate every number. So if number, and now how we do that? We used modulo, right? Do you remember modulo? It means if number modulo 2 is equal to 0, do something. I will print number, or only like this. So if you don't remember modulo, it means if you have something like this, only for sure, you have something like this, 5 modulo 2, it means the result will be 1, right? Because 5 modulo 2 means how many is the rest after the division. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and what's the result? The result. What's the rest? It's 1. So if I put here something like this, it means the result will be 3, because how many times can I put 10 to 13? 1. Okay, 1 time. 1 multiplied by 10 is 10. So what's the result? 3. Okay, and with even number, it's okay, because if you write something like this, it has to be always 0. For example, 4 modulo 2, it means 2 times 2 is 4. What's the rest? 0. If you write 12, like another even number, 12 modulo 2, what's the result? 0 again, right? Because it's 6 multiplied by 2, and it's 12. And what's the rest? 0. Okay, so anytime the modulo 2 is 0, it means the number has to be even. I hope you got it. Now I will run it and we will see. So I just print the number, but I print only numbers which are correct with this condition, with this statement. So I will run it, and you can see there are only even numbers: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Perfect. And now we just need to sum it. So summing, it means we can write it, for example, like this. We already seen it. So total is 0 plus, for example, number 2, it will be 2. And now it, for example, another will be 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6, and total will be 6, and so on and so on. Okay, so now we can print the total. So we will see, and the result is 2550. Okay, great. But here you can write it in a short code if you want. It goes like this. These two lines are completely the same. So it's up to you which one you will choose. Okay. So I will choose this one for example. And we can write here some text as well. So sum of even numbers from 1 to 100 is total, like this. Okay, great. I hope it works fine. Okay. Perfect. So I hope you understand.